We are star. Real star.
Jonathan, I am trying to watch the TV. Please, not now.
Me teach baby and gone now for play ball, eh? Me teach them.
Jonathan, Bibi and Gardner are the same person. Now will you move from in front of me? Jesus! Hi baby, what's up?
I'm here in the studio working on a new beat, you know. Hey, baby, can you help me with something, you know? I need an idea for something new I'm working on.
Sure, I'd love to help you write something.
No, man, not like that, man. It's like a friend of mine called me. You know, he come with the suggestion that, you know, we need to raise some funds in the community, you know. So him saying to me that, yo, we should keep something, but I don't know what to do, you know. You have any ideas?
How about a football match? Yeah, a football match. You could bring some of your celebrity friends to play a football match with the youth in the community.
Yo, that's why I have to rate you so much, you know. That's a wicked idea. Yo, I'll go down there now.
Baby.
So when I finish, I want to swing by you and maybe we can go grab some food, alright?
Okay, baby. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Sort out, see me done. Sort out the thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Football match and involve the community. And we just get some celebrity figures for just endorse the thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I hate that, you know. That can work, man. At that. You know, so I make some link too.
Yeah.
I make some link and sort it out. Right away too. I go down to the south, you forward?
No, I can't come. I have to go and see if we go sort out some, you know. I have people down there wait for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Later, man, see?
Yeah.
Who that?
It's me, aye. Y'all come?
Pardon. Yo, you know, long waiting on the star. My youth, you think it's an easy thing, me about you? We just want to go down the now and get it over with. I be a fret me fretting.
Cuz, calm down, man. You're worrying too much. Everything will be alright.
My youth, from me I go to school, me don't like take tests. I always a feel upon them thing there.
Don't worry, man. Just come on. My youth, you're serious about this thing, man. But you must know why you're afraid so much still.
Oh, that! Look, Millionaire! What's cracking, the lacking, the macking, the packing?
I'm just chilling and not being no villain.
Are you a millionaire? Yo, my boss. Hey, John, no? All the vibes so dead. Maka put in a rhythm to make a bill of vibes.
I don't have the clinic me I go right now, you know. A later thing if life spear, you know.
Yo, you know, so me and Spragga plan to keep a celebrity football match to build back the vibes in the place.
Eh?
You see me?
That's good vibes, man.
We want to spread the word, you know. You see me? Because about weekend, we want to kick it off. You see it?
Ah.
Yeah, man. You see
Oh,
me?
yeah, man. And that more for sure the fools are real baller play around here.
Yeah, man. Yo, I'm to the bait, your furniture foot. Everybody knows that as you get the ball, all you gotta do a trip and drop. Why you think them call it clumsy?
You know what I talk, you know, hype. Cause if the breeze blow too hard, you drop to. Lock up in the studio and not eat till the island on your back turn butter.
Yo,
Butter back.
me need to go catch the clinic right now, you know. A later thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, aye. Come on, man.
Alright.
Yeah, let's be safe.
Come on. Later furniture foot.
Alright, butter back.
Come this way.
say, sir.
Alright, follow me now.
Alright, cuz.
Mr. Carey Campbell, your test results came back negative. So, you have failed this, the AIDS test.
Oh God, no! No, not no! Not no! Dear Lord, me failed the test. Can't believe.
Yo,
Jesus.
what happened to you, man? What happened to you, Maka?
No!
Calm down, man. The test is negative. That means you don't have it. You failed the test. That's a good thing.
What? Feeling is good? I don't have it?
Yes. The test is HIV positive and you are HIV negative. You should be glad.
Hi.
You ready?
I'm ready to go.
Well, grab that. Alright. Yeah. Today? I'm there with my girl in the start. Alright. Soon come. Yo, I'm down there. I know, man. Soon. Yeah. Grabs it on the street that way from me. Forget to me on the crew vice to the star. Man, I'm down there wait now.
What?
Yeah. Oh, look, son. Super down there. I'm on my way for me, man. I forgot.
Alright, fine.
You sure?
Yes, it's fine. It's your work. It's fine.
Yo, give me one more time from the top there.
Hype! What's cracking the lack in the pack in the mackin? What's them running the lip and they getting the kick in the shit?
Uptown, downtown, cross town. Yo, yeah, me. Yo, big and bold like whatever. Fell off never. Every female want ride with umbrella. Words too clever, start the vendetta. Yo,
Innocence back!
Yo, music plus Trevor. I'm the walking, talking, thinking, breathing version of adrenaline. With mercy make you think and twist your face up like a gremlin. And make you start to walk and shriek and scream like you are feminine. Come back up past the 7 We style them when they're dwelling in.
Show yaga. Do you want to this innocent? Show yaga. Did you consult your parents? Show yaga. Do you want to this innocent? Let's talk, let's chat, let's argument. Show.
Mash up that game today, yo. Yeah. What you know? Yo, who the punk there? It's a circus clown that. Look like a hype bring him come here now. Well, him have to go carry him back. Him can't play ball with gangsters. You're mad, man.
Don't make him pass.
Tackle the board.
Baby! You play so well. You play good, Papa.
I feel better now, you know.
You play well, but guess what now? What happened to the goal? Come here.
Kappa, man.
Give me your promise, me.
I score a goal for you, man. But the Kappa, yo, I'm going. But I get back him now.
Jeez.
Virgin.
Oh. So you want to do it for me?
Yeah, man.
Promise?
Mm.
Alright.
Kappa.
Go play. Go play.
Yo.
Go.
Hype!
We better than. We better than. We say we better than. The other hand.
We are star. stuff, you know. We're there, so if you want new Me and Mi KRU stuff, just click the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, click the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we're there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?